Viture has just launched its new flagship, the Luma Pro XR, and it's coming in hot with sharper visuals, built-in vision adjustment, and a handful of features clearly designed to shake up the AR glasses market. But the real question is simple. Can it actually beat the long-standing king of portable displays, the XREAL One Pro? Before breaking that down, let's quickly revisit why XREAL's top model is considered the reigning champ.
The XREAL One Pro is the brand's most refined pair of display glasses yet, and you can tell the moment you put them on. The design is slim, lightweight, and subtle enough that most people wouldn't even realize you're wearing something capable of projecting a massive 170-inch screen right in front of your eyes. Its display is powered by Sony's latest 1080p micro-OLED panels, bright, crisp, and incredibly clean. Colors are vivid, motion stays smooth, and gone are the days of fishbowl distortion or weird AR blur that strain your eyes. Like the Luma Pro, these also have electrochromic lenses that darken with the press of a button, helping block out light in bright environments. But where XREAL begins to flex is in stability. Their in-house X1 chip and 4th-gen optical engine keep the virtual screen locked in place. Even if you tilt your head slightly, the display doesn't drift or shake, it just stays anchored, as if floating naturally in your space. This isn't a 6DOF headset like a Meta device, but for watching content, gaming, or working on your laptop, its 3DOF tracking is more than enough. And honestly, when you're juggling a phone, laptop, or a handheld console, that kind of consistent plug-and-play value makes a difference.
Compatibility and audio. The One Pro supports USB-C display input, meaning you can plug it into almost anything: your phone, laptop, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, Nintendo Switch dock, you name it. No weird apps, no adapters, no trouble. Just connect and go. The audio surprises too. Tuned by Bose, the speakers deliver clean sound with enough clarity for movies and calls. You're not getting deep bass or theater-level impact, but for everyday use, it's surprisingly good. Comfort and build. XREAL focused heavily on comfort. The arms flex naturally, the nose bridge is adjustable, and they offer two IPD sizes to fit different faces. You can wear these for hours without that tight tech demo pressure on your head. They do warm up slightly on the forehead during long sessions, but not enough to bother most people. The optional XREAL eye camera accessory exists, but unless you're desperate to capture POV grocery shopping clips, you can skip it. At $649, the One Pro isn't cheap, but in this class, the polish and reliability make it worth considering. For people who want a simple, stable wearable display that just works, XREAL remains the safe, dependable choice. Viture Luma Pro XR, the stylish challenger. Now let's switch to the newcomer. The Viture Luma Pro XR is playing a different game. If XREAL is clean and businesslike, the Luma Pro is stylish, bold, and futuristic. The translucent frame, modern shape, and subtle RGB glow make it feel like something straight out of a premium sci-fi movie. Like XREAL, the lenses use electrochromic film to darken on command. Tap a button and you're in instant sunglasses mode. But the real upgrade is the display. Instead of 1080p panels, Viture went with 1200p Sony micro-OLED screens. That extra sharpness actually makes a noticeable difference when reading text, watching high-resolution movies, or appreciating tiny UI details. Colors look richer, brightness pops harder, and contrast stays strong even in tricky lighting. The virtual screen comes in at around 152 inches with a 52-degree field of view. Slightly smaller than XREAL's projection, but still immersive without overwhelming your vision. Built-in myopia adjustment, a game changer. One feature that feels small but is actually huge is the built-in myopia correction. If you're nearsighted, up to -4.0, you can adjust the lenses manually inside the glasses. No prescription inserts needed. Just turn a dial and everything snaps into focus. Once you try it, it's hard to go back. Audio and software ecosystem.
Viture teamed up with Harman for audio tuning. The speakers sound good enough in quiet environments, but they aren't very powerful in noisy places, so earbuds may still be necessary. Where the Luma Pro really differs is in its software ecosystem. Their Spacewalker platform aims to add spatial interfaces and 3D UI elements. And with the optional neckband accessory for added processing, you can experience lightweight AR overlays. It's ambitious, but still early. The software feels experimental, not fully polished. For pure media consumption, most people won't need these extras. Build quality overall feels solid, though some users have mentioned slight frame flex or durability concerns over time. At $499, the Luma Pro offers strong value considering its sharper display, premium design, and built-in vision correction. Who should buy which? You essentially have two excellent glasses targeting slightly different users. XREAL 1 Pro is the reliable, polished all-arounder, perfect for travelers, gamers, remote workers, people who want pure plug-and-play simplicity, anyone who values stability and compatibility. Viture Luma Pro XR is the visually superior, feature-forward option, perfect for movie lovers, anyone who prioritizes the sharpest image, people who want stylish hardware, users with myopia who hate using inserts, visual-first work or entertainment. Both can replace your monitor, TV, or travel screen. Neither is perfect, but each excels in its own lane.
XREAL delivers consistency, comfort, and reliability. Viture delivers sharper visuals, more personality, and thoughtful features like focus adjustment. It all comes down to which one fits your style. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this breakdown helped you decide, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep tech dives. See you in the next video.